Now let's solve this problem. Cot A minus 1 divided by 2 minus secant square A is equal to cot A divided by 1 plus tan A. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now, first let me write down the LHS. Solution. First let me write down the LHS. We know that the LHS is cot A minus 1 whole divided by 2 minus secant square A. Okay. Now, cot A, it can be written as 1 by tan A, right? Because cot A, it is the reciprocal of tan A. Therefore, cot A, I can write it as 1 by tan A. Okay. Minus 1 whole divided by 2 minus secant square A. Now here, we know the trigonometric formula. 1 plus tan square A is secant square A. Therefore, this secant square A, I can write it as 1 plus tan square A. But be careful, see here you have minus sign. So, 1 plus tan square A, you must take it in the bracket. Okay? 1 plus tan square A. Okay? Now, take the LCM. Nothing is here means we will consider it as 1. Okay? Tan A and 1. What is the LCM? Tan A is the LCM. Tan A. Here, tan A is the LCM. And in the denominator we have tan A. Therefore, we will multiply it by 1. That is 1 into 1 is 1. Minus tan A is the LCM. But here we have 1. Therefore, we will multiply it by tan A. Then it will become 1 into tan A is tan A. Okay. Whole divided by. Okay. Whole divided by 2 minus into plus is minus 1 minus into plus minus tan square A. Okay. Tan square A. Then it will become 1 minus tan A divided by tan A. Whole divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 minus tan square A. Okay. Now here I have written whole divided by. Okay, whole divided by. Then it will become numerator. Nothing is in the denominator means I can write it as 1. Okay. Let me continue this side. Is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by tan A. 1 minus tan A divided by tan A. Whole divided by. Whole divided by. Now look at this. 1 minus tan square A. It is in the form of A square minus B square. Right? We know the formula. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Okay? Here we have 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A. Now here, 1, if I write it as 1 square, the value does not change. Means what? 1 minus tan square A, it is in the form of A square minus B square. So, you can write this in the form of A plus B into A minus B, right? Is equal to A. In the place of A, we have 1 plus. In the place of B, we have tan A. Therefore, it will become 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan A. Okay. Therefore, this 1 minus tan square A, I can write it as 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan A. 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan A. Now I told you already, nothing is in the denominator means we can consider it as 1. Because it is whole divided by this one. Okay, whole divided by. Now, look at this. It is numerator, it is denominator. It is numerator and it is denominator. In the numerator, we have 1 minus tan A. Okay. Here also in the numerator, we have 1 minus tan A. Therefore, we can cancel these two. Okay. Then what is left? 1 by tan A whole divided by 1 plus tan A. Okay. Divided by 1. Now, this one. Now, here, 1 by tan A. I can write it as cot A. Okay, because we know that 1 by tan A is cot A. Whole divided by, I have written already. Okay, whole divided by 1 plus tan A. 1 plus tan A. This one, it is in the denominator, so no need to write. This is what our RH is. Okay, we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Look at this. Here I have taken 1 in the denominator. Just to understand clearly, okay. You may take this one or may not. It's left to your choice. If you are good at mathematics, you can do directly. Okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you.